Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a hazelnut and white chocolate rocky road. Let's begin. To get started on the recipe, you'll want to make the liquid mix. So simply place into a heat-proof bowl or microwave safe bowl your butter, followed by some hazelnut spread. Feel free to use the hazelnut white chocolate one if you can get your hands on it. This is just a hazelnut one. Followed by the golden syrup, and then your white chocolate. Then place in the microwave and melt on 30-second increments until the mixture is melted. I left mine in for around a minute and a half, and that was what was perfect for me. So then just whisk it all together until the mixture fully comes together and it looks like this solid beige colour. That's what you're looking for. Once you've got it smooth and glossy, you can set it aside. You want it to cool down a little bit. Then into a larger mixing bowl, you'll want to add in basically everything else, all of your fillings, apart from, you know, if you want to add something special in the middle, which you can do with this recipe, and I'll leave that in the description. But then just mix them all together, giving them a good mix so they're all fairly distributed. Then put your mixture and the liquid mixture together and just mix until everything is coated. And this doesn't take very long, but you need to work quickly as this will start to set up very quickly. So just get that liquid mix in there and keep mixing and folding together until everything is fully incorporated and coated. Then you can go ahead and grab yourself your loaf pan. I'm using a 2-pound loaf pan, so make sure you got that. Make sure it's aligned as it'll be far easier to get out. Then just layer your mixture in. So I added around half of the mixture first and just pressed it down, as this will be easier to do rather than adding it all in. As you can tell, moves really easily and it's really easy recipe. Then just add the rest and just, you know, layer it on top, stacking it and pressing it down so you want it to be as compact as possible, and this will help when it binds together a little bit later on. You may think, oh, that's not a big enough pan. It is. This is the perfect mixture for this size pan. Then as an optional finish, I'm adding some of that same hazelnut mixture that we had in the liquid mix earlier on, and just spreading that on top, and just to add a bit more of a hazelnut flavour, because who doesn't want more hazelnut? And this is like the inside of a Kinder Bueno, so it is really good and I recommend doing it. Spread it out as best you can, then top with some more chocolate. You could use hazelnut chocolate, but I used all of mine in the actual rocky road, so I'm just using these mini Kinder bars. Not hazelnut, but it's chocolate, so it works really well. Then as an optional finish, I just use some chopped hazelnuts and just place them around and in between the chocolate bars. But again, this is completely optional. Chill this in the fridge for as long as possible. I make mine the night before, then do it when I wake up the next day, so like 7 or 8 hours later, but it'll be ready in about 2 hours if you need it. Then you can go ahead and cut it up into as many or as few pieces as you would like. This is very rich and very indulgent, so you do not need big pieces. This is very sickly. Here's what mine looks like on the inside. You can see the Kinder Bueno, the Ferrero Rocher, all works really well, and the marshmallows of course. But again, you can really pick and choose your fillings, and that's really up to you. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog, and a link to all my social media. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.